Introducing the Sony wh1000xm5, the next level of audio excellence. Experience industry-leading noise cancellation, blocking out the world around you, so you can focus on what matters. With intuitive touch controls, managing your music and calls has never been easier. Designed for comfort, the wh1000xm5 features soft, pressure-relieving ear pads and a lightweight build for all-day wear. Crystal clear call quality ensures you're heard loud and clear, whether you're in a meeting or catching up with friends. Perfect for travel, with adaptive sound control that adjusts to your environment for the best listening experience. Enjoy up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge, and a quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 5 hours of playback. Sony wh1000xm5. Elevate your sound experience.